Good morning, boys and girls. Or let's move on to the next section. I already said good morning, huh? Sorry, but still, I hope you're having a good morning. Let's read our DLO for this section. Today, I will be able to read and write the sight word you. Y-O-U. You. Let's read it with me now. Today, I will be able to read and write the sight word you. Y-O-U. You. You guys are my awesome class and you're my awesome students. You. So we are going to add another sight word to the ones we've already done. I'm going to add you. Y-O-U. You should be spelling it and reading it with me to help you out. So what I want you guys to notice is I did blue, red, consonant, vowel, vowel. This word has two vowels in it and one consonant. That Y is something, but let's not get into that. All right, so Y-O-U, you. So if you see it again, Y-O-U, you. Yeah, ooh. So you say it, yeah, ooh. And we've already done all these. We should have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 sight words that you guys should have on index cards and practicing how to read them. If you can read them all, practice how to spell them. If you can spell them, practice writing them on a piece of paper. If you can write them, think of a sentence, okay? But don't do them all at once if you're doing the sentences, because that would be 13 sentences. I just want you guys to be pushing yourself to the next level. If you need some suggestions, please reach out. I believe in you guys. And I also posted the Fry 100 sight words on our Schoology page. If you guys want to do some more, you are welcome to. Push yourself to the next level, okay? So again, Y-O-U. You are awesome. Oh, you. Let's read the next one. We're just going to read them. With, we, my, come, to, me, I, and, the, see, like. I hope you're reading it. What is it? You. If you said you, you're correct. You. So what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show you how I write the word you first. And I'm going to do lowercase letter because it is not the beginning of a sentence right now. We're just writing the sight word, right? Sight words are words that we see a lot frequently. We see them in books. We see them in billboards. We see it, we use it a lot. So we can't sound it out. We can't say yeah, yeah, So it's a sight word that has a different, you can't sound it out. You just have to know it says you. Y-O-U, you. So how we spell it is Y is a lowercase. It stays underneath this midline. O stays underneath the midline. Y is allowed to go past the bottom line. And U. Y-O-U, you. Okay. So again, if I were to write it next to it, I'd finger space it. Y, and I say it as I do it, so I don't forget. O, U. Y-O-U. You guys can do this. Okay, so something that I want to not try to see, something we don't want to do is if we go Y-O-U. This is a capital letter because it goes from the top all the way to the bottom. It says Y. The O is almost all the way to the top and almost all the way to the bottom, but it's super big and it's not underneath our midline, right? And the U is tiny, but it's in the middle of our midline, correct? So we don't want to do that. And then we also don't want to do this. Remember, we have to finger space. I want to be able to say that I can see this one says you, this says you. They're two separate words, okay? This one says you. So we don't want to do that either, okay? And now I want to start pointing out that if you say, how many parts are each word broken down to, our syllables? So this one just says you. You. If we clap it out, it's only one syllable. It's only one sound. If we say marker, for example, that one goes marker. Or if we clap it out, marker. It has two. It's broken down into two sections, okay? Every time you do the word. So I just want to start pointing that out little by little. So what you're going to do, is after you watch our video that we add for extra fun, and then we watch the instructional video, you guys are going to take out your sight word page. This is the one I want you to do it on, okay? You're going to trace the word Y, and please say it, O-U, you. You're going to write it on your own. Then you're going to find the letters down here, cut them out, and put the ones you need right here to build the word Y-O-U, you. You will find the Y, O, and the U. Don't use the other ones. Make sure they're facing the proper direction and put them in these little squares. After you do that, you're going to find the word you in here. Always start at the top. Look at the first row. Go across. Go to the next line and go across. Try to find the sight word you. Okay, once you do that, I want you guys to write the sentence that I'm going to tell you right now. I want you to write it right here, okay? So the sentence that we are going to write, we're going to start on this side of the paper right here at the very top line, not on the bottom, not in the middle, not over here. On the left side right here. And it's going to say I, so it's going to be a capital letter, because it's the beginning of my sentence. Capital letter, go at the beginning of the sentence. I, finger space. I like to let's read it. They're all our sight words we've already done so far. I like to see you. So let's read it. I like to see you smile. And it has a. I like to see you smile. And I always end with a certain punctuation. It's either going to be a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. What is the sentence doing? Is it asking something? Is it excited about something? Or are we just saying something? I like to see you smile. If you said it, you're just telling something, you're just saying something, you would use a period. So it would be a period right here. You have to remember, this is what makes up a sentence. Capital letter, space in between your words so you can tell one word from the other, and then you end it with a period so you know you're done with that sentence. I like to see you smile. I want you to write this sentence. I like to see you smile. Right here. We start right here. I like to see you smile. Period. If you run out of room on the first line, go to the next line. Okay, guys? All right. You can do this. All right. It's your turn, guys.